your decision to choose a metal roof is reason to sit back and relax, not only because of the great peace of mind you'll enjoy knowing you have a long-lasting, top-performing roof, but because caring for and maintaining it is so simple. Metal roofs with high-quality coatings naturally resist mildew, moss, and other organic materials, so all it takes for your new metal roof to look great is a mild solution of pure soap or non-abrasive dishwashing detergent in warm water. Wash with a sponge, soft cloth, or soft bristle nylon brush, just never with an abrasive scourer or steel wool. A low-pressure spray may also help with removing dirt or debris, and that's it. Always follow your manufacturer's instructions for care, but when in doubt, here's a simple recipe suitable for most metal roofs. Just mix 1/4 cup of detergent per gallon of water, then apply that solution to the surface using a sponge or a washcloth and let sit for, say, 5 or 10 minutes. Thoroughly rinse the surface with plain water and you're done. Most importantly, using appropriate safety precautions when you're doing any kind of work on your roof is an absolute must. No matter what kind of roofing material you have, if you aren't comfortable with roof maintenance, leave it to a qualified, experienced professional. Safety should always be your top priority. Now, I hope this information that we've shared here helps you with the important decision you're making to choose a metal roof. Of course, there's lots more great information available from the Metal Roofing Alliance on metalroofing.com if you need it. So do your homework and find the metal roof that's right for you and your home. And thanks so much for watching.